Yeah, okay. We'll take it right there. Good day. Welcome to Ken's Hobbies. I got a project here. Last time I went to take a bath, couldn't shut the hot water off. It tells me that it's time to fix my hot water tap. What's happened, my theory is, the O-ring in the tap is gone. But at the same time, we got a problem developing here. So, and this is just a slight bit down. So I want to raise it up just a bit so water quits splashing on the top here. So, the first thing we'll do is get our knobs off our tap here and inspect this gasket. I have the hot water shut off right now. It was the only way I could shut it off was via the main shut-off valve. Okay, what I'm going to need here is now I need my looks like that is a 3/4 inch wrench, 11/16 or 3/4 inch wrench. So I gotta go get a wrench and my screw gun to remove this, because I want to replace this board at the same time. So we'll get our cold water tap here off at the same time. Okay. Yeah. Better put this down there so I don't drop any screws or anything down the drain. Oh. Let's see. I need an extension to get that screwed. Another trip to the shop. Oh well. Need a gopher guy. Go for this, go for that. Okay. Okay, 3/4 inch is too big. So it is 11/16. And just what I suspected, nothing left of the gasket. Hey, okay, so we gotta replace the gasket. That's exactly what I figured. Okay, let's go look for where I put my gasket kit. How's our screw look here? Oh, we're locked out. Generally these screws to hold this gasket down get where you can't get them out. Okay, there's the old what's left of the gasket. Okay, now gotta get that screw out. Need to go get a extension or a hand Robertson screwdriver and a gasket kit. So another trip to the shop. Okay, now we gotta screwdriver these Robertson. Okay, and we're gonna cut this out of here. Brought my Dremel here. Now I need my Phillips bit. Okay. Now Okay. Save some of this stuff I can reuse. See, well, we can make this better now. If I could get the level out here, and we're going to do some calculating here. And it's interesting. I wonder if I can temporarily put a screw in there. That looks like it levels that out better. Can we get a screw in there? That's the question. We'll find out pretty quick here. That's ceramic tile there, but what about the get it in between? Oh, I like that. That looks like it. I'm going to get my level now and see if this is level. That appears a lot better. Yeah, okay. That changes a lot doing it that way. Looks like that. Okay, well, a couple ideas here. Yeah, I gotta go get some more tools. I thought I had a gasket, that's why I couldn't shut the hot water off. Well, I'm much more impressed with that. Okay, so now we gotta finish knocking this apart. To where the new goes in. Okay, I need a piece of rock. Exactly. We need a minimum 20 inches. Okay, that way I have to take this piece off. If that nails are screwed, I can't tell. That's nailed on. Okay, that's nailed on. That might just change things here. Okay, well, first of all, we gotta get that piece off. Where'd my other one go? Right there. I gotta go get more tools. Bring a bloody hammer and a pry bar. today we're going to continue on this. I got my front piece cut out there, and I was continuing this, not recording there, because I was out of battery. So I'll just fill in what I've got to this point. On my face piece, I got this plastic edging to protect this from doing any further damage in there, and giving it a nice neat edge to the face of our rock. Then I cut this out to fit my soap dish in there, and when I was sizing this up, I kind of need a little bit more of a turn, and I kind of snapped this off. So the first thing I got to do is we got to get my torch out, sand this up, and resolder this piece back on here for our spout. And of course I forgot to bring me some camera cloth with me. But while I'm doing that, I'm gonna get this screwed down. Now, I just had a drywall bit. Which pocket did I put it in? I know I had it in my hand. Oh, don't tell me I forgot it. Oh, great. Yeah, well, here it is again. Oh, I should check if my rubbers came. I could have swore I brought it in with me, and I don't see it. Oh, there it is. I knew I brought it with me. This is a drywall bit. And if you notice, it's at a certain depth with your drywall screws. Oh, come on. Oh, right on the edge. Well, blow me down. Missed by that much. Okay, now we can trim this down flush. This is a little nice and flush there. And this side's good. That's ready for corner trim. That's ready for corner trim. Okay, that's, yeah, I'm gonna prevent this from going in. When I do the soldering, we'll put this one on temporarily to hold it in place. And we're gonna leave this one off until my gasket comes for the, okay, now, sandpaper, torch, solder, and flux. Okay, there's my flux, there's the solder, and there's the torch. So all I need now is go get me some sandpaper. Okay. Achoo! Lose this. I'm gonna lose that. We'll put it there for now. Hey. Goofed again. Thought I was on video. Went to edit. Guess what? Camera only. As I started saying, I'm going to cut it off at this point here. So much footage here, and this is a bigger project than I expected. With all the issues I've been running into. So, good spot right here to cut it off, and tend to try to make part 2 as the rebuilding portion. Anyhow, don't forget, or the sticker, you can email me with your address, klrabbit560@gmail.com, or at $5 you could send me to Ken Lind at 2205 Spruce Street in Prince George, British Columbia, Canada. Postal code is Victor 2 Lima 2 Romeo 7. That's V2L 2R7. Anyhow, for this week, adios. Catch you on the next one.